So this is Scott from Audio Intensity. I get a lot of questions in regards to the Goldhorn players, how they work, how you display them in the car, and how easy they are to use or not use. So I thought I'd make a little video on a new device I've found to integrate this into any factory head unit that uses CarPlay device or has CarPlay capability. So what this device is a little USB box that connects into the car and takes over the Apple CarPlay factory setup. So if I go to Apple CarPlay, it goes to a different menu that allows apps to be used on the Android platform, but yet displayed over the CarPlay platform. So because Goldhorn has an app that works their player, which includes all the ones that are built into the units as well as standalone players, you can now see and control all of the functions of the player through the factory head unit. So we are now playing music. I have it muted so that I don't infringe on YouTube's criteria. But you have functions that include artwork, if that's capable or in the track already. You have track up and down, play and pause, subwoofer level control. You have volume up and down as well as mute. So everything that you would need, as well as all of the music at your fingertips that you have on a thumb drive or hard drive that's plugged into your player. So everything is now controllable from the factory screen, which is very convenient for a lot of new vehicles, and now eliminates the need to have a separate controller or anything else controlling your music. Now I also have my phone attached Bluetooth via to the Goldhorn DSP unit, so I can switch back and forth just by, you're going to notice that this is what's currently playing. So if I hit play, on that one, you'll see it switch up here. There it goes. And now that's what's playing through the system. So I can go via Bluetooth and go directly in for, day-to-day music, or I can always play the music that is on my hard drive. And then it's going to ask you if you want to switch, hit OK, and away you go. Now if you want to go back to your factory, you just hit the screen, it pulls up a button, home, car, and now I have that factory unit still in play. I still have my factory maps. All of the things work the same. Very convenient, and Goldhorn is the only DSP company allowing for these features. Enjoy.